Charles Schwab Investing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Charles Schwab and related tools are in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. Charles Schwab is a full-service brokerage designed for both beginners and advanced investors. It offers commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, along with access to mutual funds, bonds, futures, and even Forex. One of Schwab's standout features is its wide range of investment options, including its own low-cost index funds and robo-advisory service, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, which provides automated investing with no advisory fees. A key strength of Schwab is its research and trading tools. The platform offers extensive third-party research from Morningstar, CFRA, and more, along with stock screeners, real-time data, and advanced charting. The Schwab mobile app is intuitive and provides seamless trading on the go, while the Street Smart Edge platform is designed for active traders with customizable layouts and advanced analytics. Schwab's order execution is also among the best in the industry, ensuring competitive pricing for trades. Another major advantage is Schwab's banking services. It offers a highly rated checking account with no fees, unlimited ATM reimbursements worldwide, and integration with investment accounts for easy fund transfers. The company also provides strong retirement planning options, including IRAs, 401k rollovers, and a variety of tax-advantaged accounts. Customer support is another strong point, with 24/7 phone support, live chat, and access to in-person help at over 400 branch locations. However, there are some downsides. While Schwab offers a great experience for most investors, its trading platform may not be as fast or feature-rich as those from dedicated trading firms like TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. Also, while stock and ETF trades are commission-free, options contracts come with a per-contract fee, and some mutual funds carry transaction fees. Unlike some newer brokerages, Schwab does not offer direct cryptocurrency trading, though it does allow Bitcoin exposure through futures and ETFs. Overall, Charles Schwab is an excellent choice for long-term investors, active traders, and those looking for a full-service brokerage with strong research tools and banking integration. If you want a well-rounded platform with great support and investment options, it's one of the best available. Check the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing content.